Imagine building an entire help center without writing a single word from scratch. I'm about to show you how AI can structure, write, and organize your company's knowledge base in minutes, not months. I've already created a project here. So instead of starting from zero, let me show you what Document 360, builds for you in just a few minutes. This entire structure, the categories, the folders, and the layout was generated automatically during setup. I didn't manually create all of this, and I didn't have to plan it out in advance. This is what I mean by skipping the blank page syndrome. Instead of opening an empty documentation tool and wondering where to start, Document 360's AI sets up a logical structure based on your industry or use case. You immediately have a foundation to work from. From here, you're not building documentation from scratch. You're improving and refining what's already been created for you. This alone can save hours, especially if you're building a help center, internal wiki or product documentation for the first time. This is EDDY AI, and this is really the heart of Document 360. EDDY isn't just helping you write, it's helping you think through documentation properly. I'm not giving it a long prompt, just a basic title, something any support team would need. Watch what happens here. EDDY doesn't just give you a paragraph. It builds a full article with steps, headings, and formatting, even summaries. This alone can save hours of manual writing. Instead of typing everything line by line, you're starting with a complete structured draft. Once the content is generated, you're not locked into it. You can refine it with one click. For example, I can make this sound more professional, more friendly, or simpler. This is great if different audiences need different turns, customers or internal teams, or technical users. And as you can see, it's done exactly as I asked. One really underrated feature is duplicate content detection. As your knowledge base grows, it's very easy to accidentally create the same article twice. Document 360 automatically warns you if something similar already exists. This keeps your documentation clean, organized, and easy to maintain. Now, let's switch perspectives. This is what your customers or employees actually see. Instead of forcing users to guess keywords, they can ask a normal question, just like they would ask a person. So for this instance, I've put, how do I navigate to the login page? EDDY instantly gives a direct, summarized answer, and it's pulling that information only from your documentation. No guessing, no outside sources. This means users get clear answers faster and support teams deal with fewer tickets. So, to put this simply, Document 360, it helps you create documentation faster, keeps it organized and makes it easier for people to actually find answers. You're saving time during setup, saving time while writing, and saving time after launch because users can help themselves. Even if you've never built a knowledge base before, Document 360, it makes the entire process feel guided instead of overwhelming. You don't need to be a writer, you just need to know what questions people ask. This page explains the AI Writer feature inside Document 360. The AI Writer is a built-in assistant that helps you create and edit articles in a smarter, faster way. At the top of the page, it shows what the AI Writer is and where you can access it directly inside the Document 360 editor while you are writing or editing content. Below that, The page breaks down the main tools available. The first section explains how the AI can help you improve your writing. This includes options like, writing text to make it clearer, more professional, or easier to understand. Next, it shows tone and style controls. These let you change the way your content sounds. For example, making it more formal, more casual, or more engaging depending on your audience. Then there are length controls, right? You can ask the AI to make text shorter and more concise, or expand it to add more detail and explanation. Another section explains formatting tools. These allow you to convert normal paragraphs into structured formats like bullet points, lists or tables, which makes information easier to read. The page also covers how the AI can help with organizing content, such as splitting long sentences, simplifying context wording, or improving overall structure. And then finally, explains how all of this works directly inside your normal writing workflow. So you don't need to copy and paste into other tools. Everything happens right inside Document 360. So overall, this page is simply an overview of the AI Writer feature, showing what it can do, the different tools available, and how it helps users create better documentation with less effort. With Document 360, you can choose exactly how your knowledge base is used, make it public for customers, or keep it private for internal team training and onboarding. You also get powerful analytics that show you exactly what people are searching for but not finding. So you can spot content gaps and improve your documentation where it actually matters. And if you're tired of answering the same questions over and over again, it's time to build a smarter knowledge base. Click the link in the description and try Document 360. Try the AI features for yourself today.